Hello friends, welcome to the course. Today we will learn the sixth chapter, that is the noun gender. First we will learn types of gender with the help of examples. Then we will learn the ways to convert one gender to another gender. In the end, I will give you an exercise to practice. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me ask you a question. I will give you four nouns and you have to tell me either they are male or female. Boy, girl, baby and book. The first and second are straightforward. Boy is a male and girl is a female. Now what about baby? Is it a male or female? It can be both, right? So it can be either a male or female. What about a book? Is it a male or female? It is neither a male nor a female. So, in this way, each of them is represented by a different gender. Boy comes under masculine gender, girl comes under feminine gender, baby comes under common gender, and the book comes under neuter gender. So, based on this classification, there are four types of gender. Number 1, masculine gender. Number 2, feminine gender. Number 3, common gender. And number 4, neuter gender. Living beings of male sex comes under masculine gender. For example, uncle, lion, prince, cock. Living beings with female sex comes under feminine gender. For example, aunt, lioness, princess, hen. Living beings of either male or female sex comes under common gender. For example, parent, child, friend, cousin. Things that have neither male nor female sex comes under neuter gender. For example, book, pen, ball, tree. One point to note about neuter gender is that objects without life are often personified or described as if they were living beings. In this case, we regard them as males or females. The masculine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for strength and violence, as in the sun, summer, winter, time. For example, the sun sheds his beams on rich and poor alike. Notice the word his, which is used to refer the sun. The feminine gender is sometimes applied to objects remarkable for beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness. For example, moon, earth, nature. For example, the moon has hidden her face behind a cloud. Here we have used her as a feminine word for the moon. Mostly you will see this type of sentences in poetry only. Now, let's learn the ways to convert a masculine gender to a feminine gender. There are three ways to convert a masculine gender to feminine. Number 1, by using an entirely different word. Some of the examples of it could be husband, wife, horse, mare, buck, doe, bull, cow, nephew, niece. So this is the first way. The second way is by adding a syllable like ess, ine, trix, a and likewise. For example, author, authoress, poet, poetess, hero, heroine, conductor, conductress. testator, testatrix. So in this way, we have used different syllables to get the feminine gender for the masculine gender. So this is the second way. The last way is by placing a word before or after. For example, grandfather, grandmother, great uncle, great aunt, peacock, peahen, salesman, saleswoman, washerman, washerwoman. So this is the third way in which we use a word before or after a word to convert a masculine gender to feminine gender. So these are the three ways to convert a masculine gender to feminine gender. Again, I will repeat. First is by using an entirely different word. Number 2, by adding syllables like ess, ine, trix, a, etc. And 3, by placing a word before or after the word. So in this way, we can convert a masculine gender to feminine gender. Now, let me give you an exercise to practice. Convert the following masculine gender to feminine gender. The hint is also given. First, son. Second, waiter. Third, milkman. Pause the video and message me your answers in the comment section. I hope you would have given the answers in the comment section. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood the types of gender nouns. There are 4 types of gender based on the male and female species. Number 1, living beings of male sex comes under masculine gender. Number 2, living beings with female sex comes under feminine gender. Number 3, living beings with either male or female sex comes under common gender. And number 4, things that have neither male nor female sex comes under neuter gender. Then we learned the 3 ways to convert a masculine gender into a feminine gender. Number 1, by using an entirely different word. Number 2, by adding a syllable. And number 3, by placing a word before or after. Finally, I gave you an exercise to practice. The answers are on your screen now. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.